Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making this delicious cheesy garlic bread. The first thing we're going to do is get our garlic roasted. Now if you want this really garlicky, I suggest using 2 bulbs of garlic. Season this well with some salt, add some olive oil and get this in the oven for about 25 minutes. To a block of room temperature unsalted butter, I went in with some chopped parsley and I'm going to give this a good mix and also add a pinch of black pepper. Give this a good mix and set that to the side. Now just bear in mind when your garlic comes out of the oven, if you want to leave it for about 10 minutes because it is really hot. As you can see the steam coming out, I had to use a cloth because I wasn't going to burn my fingers. Now adding the garlic to the butter is going to make the butter melt, so if it cools down then it's much better, but what I did, because mine really melted, I just popped it back in the fridge to let it cool down. Now also you can crush the garlic before adding it to the butter. If you're adding it straight to the butter, there's probably some little bits. Make sure if there's any burnt bits of garlic, take that out because that's going to be very bitter. Now here's my loaf. I picked up a freshly baked loaf from the bakery. As you can see, it's really soft. This is just going to make the bread, and it's just going to make it so soft and good. So literally just going to cut down the middle and add my butter and garlic butter mix to this. Then I'm also gonna add some cheese. Now firstly I went in with some mozzarella cheese, you know, for that lovely cheese pull, and I also went in with some freshly grated mature cheddar. So as I said, just once your butter solidifies a little bit, even if it doesn't really matter, just spread that all over your bread. Make sure you put a good amount because the butter is just going to melt down into the bread and it's just going to be so so good. Don't be skimping on this. So here I'm going in with my mozzarella cheese. Just make sure you just spread that cheese all over and just do that for both sides. Then I'm going to add my freshly grated mature cheddar. I also went in with a little bit more freshly chopped parsley on top of the cheese, you know, just so that it just has that vibrant green color. Now you want to get this in the oven. I had my oven fairly high until that cheese is just melted. This process should take about 10 minutes. Now after this time, remove your bread, cut it up and just go for it. Now I served this up with some spaghetti bolognese and it was just oh so good. As I said, if you want it really garlicky, mine wasn't really too garlicky, just add another bulb of garlic, or if you can add some garlic powder to your butter mix and just eat it, love it, delicious. There you have it guys, my delicious cheesy garlic bread. This was just oh so good. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and I will catch you in the next one. Also leave me a comment. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.